Welcome to 4328 South Eagle Circle. This home checks all the boxes. Let's go check it out. Beautifully updated kitchen. You can check that box. Open floor plan. You can check that box too. Large master suite. We can check that box too. 3 bedrooms. We can check that box. 2 bathrooms. Check that box. Fresh exterior with a large yard. You check that box. Garden level basement. You can check that box too. 2-car garage. You can check that box too. So if you're looking for the perfect starter home that checks all the boxes, give me a call and I'll show you this one.